Well, hello. I'm still looking for things to do with the brassica leaves, which I harvested from broccoli and cauliflower plants a while ago. We've still got tons of that, so I'm still trying to find things to do with it. And the garlic that we harvested last year, there's still quite a lot of that as well. So today I'm going to make a chicken cabbage stir fry. And before I introduce you to the rest of the ingredients, I'll just put the first bit of oil in, a good glug. There we are. And then the chicken strips. We've got the strips of one whole chicken breast there, and they are going straight in because they need to get nice and done before I can put anything else in. I'll keep those turning over while you take a look at the rest of the ingredients, which are 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 cups of brassica leaves chopped, some corn flour, some red wine vinegar, not German, caraway seeds, and some cumin. Once the chicken has been fried all over, the cabbages will be sautéed along with them for 2 minutes, and I'll come back to you then. So, that cabbage has been in there for 2 minutes now, and that's what it looks like. And while that continues to sauté, we'll be making the sauce. So that's a heaped tablespoon of corn flour, half a cup of water, I'll keep this going, of course. A good few batches of cumin, however much of it you like, really. Good couple of dashes, well, that's probably a bit too much, that shot out, but that's actually a good amount of caraway seeds anyway. I'll give it a good mixture. Is that a close-up? There we are, let's get a close-up. And a good splash of either soy sauce or red wine vinegar, as I called it. Stinks a bit, but there we are. And in it goes. And of course the corn flour is thickening it. And we keep it going like that. Get it boiling, and we'll come back to you when it's cooked. Just over a minute later, the sauce has thickened, it's coated the chicken properly, and here we have it. A cabbage chicken stir fry. So thank you for watching the Garden Report Tumblr is in the comment box down below. If you could subscribe, that'd be really good. And I'll be back with another garden report vlog tomorrow. Bye.